How to share products on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can find different products and even browse through them. So here, select the one that you want to share with others. So here I'm tapping on one. Now we in this detail page of this product. Here you can view different details about it. Now how do you share it among your friends and families? Here on the right top there's a share button. Simply tap on share. Now you can share it with other social media platforms. Here you can even copy the link and send it to others. So the people who open the link will be able to view the product and easily know the product. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you